And now, preview time.
Let's have a quick look around this area for coding of various other smaller places, and also for names that point towards the east. Yeah, because everything goes west. I've told you this before. There's songs about go west and films about go west and bands called go west from the 80s. But there's no, I can't think of any called go east. I don't think of that being a popularised phrase. Right? So I've shown you some of them already. Like the fucking Greenwich and all the rest of it. Yeah. But let's get into it. Let's get into it now. Right. Especially around Canary Wharf where the businesses are, because that's where they're going to be. It's interesting when you talk about wiping history out, they happen to have that there. Yeah, if they can wipe that out, you know, that's a lot of the history gone, isn't it? Or alleged history, whatever. They've got to change the story anyway eventually, so, you know. I mean, that place has always looked temporary, hasn't it? It's big, but it's always looked temporary. And it's a strange shape, isn't it? Like a big umbrella, isn't it? And I've done the umbrella before, the code. If you haven't seen it, just type in umbrella bird and have a look through the images and what comes up and stuff. Yeah. It's about the people who don't get wet. They don't get wet. You understand me? Well, let's get in here. So for a start, you've got East India Dock. Alright. You also got to remember, this is Brian Harvey's stomping ground, yeah? Keep that in mind. Not too far from here. Oh, can you see this, look? Oh my word. It's part of it. You've got Wren Landing. I told you about the wren. I made a video about the wren. It's called the King of Birds. Yeah? In like Wicca and pagan stuff, yeah? But that's all Slavic. That's where it comes from. Wren Landing. India again here, look. Royal China. The Isle of Dogs. Eastern. Mario's Cafe. Do you remember the video I made showing you the pipes? And how Mario in his games, he was always going underground. Yeah. And Mario World, MW. Yeah. Mario and Wario, MW. Mario's Cafe, MC. Tale of India. India. Columbus Courtyard, CC. Bellmouth Passage. That's an interesting one. I've done the bell code before. About bell towers and bell ends and stuff. And spigots and spires. Dishoom Canary Wharf. The gun with the boom. You know, you could have a really good zoom in and do a really long video about it, but I'd be better off doing that in sections, you know. And there's only so far you can go before it just is a waste of time, you know, because I've already pointed out all the major points that I need to point out, really. This is all about just reinforcing what I've already told you. Electric shuffle, did you see that? Where's it gone? It said electric shuffle, isn't it? What is going on here? Why can't I make it say electric shuffle? Anyway, you saw, oh, it's there, look. Electric shuffle. The electricity with the bird. Yeah? Cargo Market Hall, CM. Clinique Cosmetics, CC. I mean, it's pretty much covered, isn't it? You could zoom in more, no doubt. Third space, Canary Wharf. Bellmouth Passage. Fucking unbelievable the piss they take, you know. Japanese. The Isle of Dogs. Get a drip. That's interesting, isn't it? Currency exchange is CE, isn't it? Yeah, I think we'll leave that there for now. I'll have another look in another video. I'll have a look at my own time, yeah, and I'll try and pick out all the best ones and screen cap them all and make a little music video about it, because I'm sure there's loads I'm missing. In a bit.
You gotta be kidding me. You know it's gonna take more than those two clowns you just sent after me to take me down.